In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase font size in Trello in 2025. Whether you're updating cards for clarity or simply need larger text for better readability, it's easier than ever with these steps. Let's dive right into the process and have your Trello boards looking just the way you need them. First, head over to Trello's main website. Simply open your preferred browser and type in trello.com in the address bar. Once there, you need to log in. If you don't already see the login page, click on the login button, typically located at the top right corner of the home page. Next, you can choose to log in using your email or your Google account, whatever's more convenient for you. Enter your credentials, and once you've successfully logged in, you'll be redirected to the Trello homepage where your boards are located. From the homepage, navigate to the Boards section. Here you'll see all the boards you're currently a part of. Head to the Your Workspaces section, which typically showcases all your active workspaces. Browse through to find the board you would like to edit. Click to open it. Once the board is open, you'll see all the various lists and cards associated with it. Find the specific card you want to make changes to and click on it. This action will open up the card's details. Now focus on the card's description area, where your existing text resides or where you wish to add new text. Click in this description box to begin editing. Here you can type in your desired text. Make sure the text you input is exactly what you want, as this is the content you'll be modifying. Once your text is set, it's time to highlight the specific text for which you want to change the font size. You can do this by clicking and dragging your cursor over the text, effectively selecting it. After your text is highlighted, look for the AA button, which will be part of the formatting options available. Clicking this button will offer a range of text styles and sizes, allowing you to customize your text appearance. Click on the size that suits your needs from the available options. Finally, after selecting the desired font size, don't forget to save your changes. Locate the Save button, typically found at the bottom of your editing area, and click on it to ensure all your modifications are retained, and there you have it, your text size is now updated as needed. With these simple steps, you can enhance your Trello cards, making your workspace more readable and visually appealing. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.